I want to invite you to download our free app and find out for yourself why personal trainers are loving it. You can download it at the App Store or on Google Play. There are 365 workouts on this app, so that's one workout for every day of the year.
My name is Monica and I'm here with GymRa. Today we're going to do some yoga sculpt with focus on the lower body. Let's get started. Come to your mat in downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale and just exhale. One more inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, look up to your mat. Exhale, hop to meet your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, grab your weights. Inhale, chair pose, bring your weights up to your shoulders and from there push them up towards the sky. Exhale, weights back to shoulders and back. Inhale, weights up. Exhale, forward fold, let go of your weights. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga, plant your hands, high to low plank. Hinge forward, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, your right leg up high. Exhale, knee to nose. Really tuck it in there. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale, right leg up high. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Really bring it up. Inhale, your right leg up high. Exhale, low lunge. Step between your hands. Grab your weights. Inhale, crescent lunge, weights up towards the sky. Exhale, open up, twist. Weights up towards the sky. Lower your weights. Chaturanga, high to low plank. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We'll repeat the same thing on the left side. Inhale, your left leg up high. Exhale, knee to nose. Really pull it in. Inhale, your left leg up high. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, left leg up high. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Really pull it in. Inhale, your left leg up high. Exhale, low lunge, step between your hands. Grab your weights. Inhale, crescent lunge, weights up towards the sky. Exhale, twist. Inhale, crescent lunge, weights up towards the sky. Exhale, lower down your weights, chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, take a deep breath. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, look up towards your hands. Exhale, hop to meet your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Grab your weights. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, bring your hands by your chest, separate your feet, and we're gonna squat. Squat down low, come up high. Low, high. Inhale as you lower, exhale to lift. We're gonna do this a few more times, about 2/8. Really tuck in your belly. Sit low, sit deep in, imagine that you're sitting low and deep into a chair. Two more, and then we pulse. And last one, we pulse, tiny pulses. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we hold it for an 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can lower your weights, shake out your legs a little, and we'll do the same thing twice more, okay? Really get those legs working today. Grab your weights. Separate your feet again, hip width distance. Sit low, back deep into your chair. Exhale to lift. Lower, lift. Inhale, exhale. Really use your breath, it helps you. Few more. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and we pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it for an 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Shake your legs a little. One more set, okay? You can do this. Grab your weights. Come into a squat and lift up. Lower, lift. Inhale, exhale. Really sit far back. Poke your butt out. Remember to breathe. Lower, lift. Inhale, exhale. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and we pulse. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it for last 8. You can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go, and we shake it out. Shake out your legs really good. Massage them out a little. Okay. Meet me back in downward facing dog, and we'll continue. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let it go. One more inhale. And exhale. Inhale, look up to meet your hands. Exhale, hop to meet your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Grab your weights. Inhale, chair pose, reach up. Exhale, arms back. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Let go of your weights. Inhale, halfway lift. Plant your hands, chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, your right leg up high. Exhale, knee to nose. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, your leg up high. Exhale, low lunge, step in between your hands. Prop up your weights. Put your hands on it lightly and put most of your weight in your right leg. And then we're gonna squat by bringing our left knee to our right leg. Bring it in, extend, in, extend. Really get that right glute working. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back, place your weights down. Chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We repeat the same thing on the left side. Inhale, your left leg up high. Exhale, knee to nose. Really hold it in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, your leg up high. Exhale, low lunge. Now put most of your weight in your left leg. Prop up your weights. Tap them lightly and bring in your right leg. Really get that left glute working. Few more. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your leg down, place your weights down, and chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, look up towards your mat. Exhale, hop to meet your hands. Grab your weights. Inhale, chair pose. Weights up. Exhale, weights back. Inhale, bring your weights by your chest. We're gonna do wide squats instead this time. So place your feet as wide as your mat. Only heels on top of your mat, toes out. Feet really wide. We're gonna squat down low and come up. Low, come up. Lower, lift. Inhale, exhale. A few more. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and we pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we hold just for 8. You can do it. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up and shake out your legs. We're gonna do 2 more sets of that. We're almost done here. You can do it, not much left. Okay, place your feet wider than hip width distance again. Toes pointing out. And sit down into your squat. Inhale to lift. Exhale, lower, lift. I'm sorry, inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Inhale, exhale. Lower, lift. Lower, lift. Really sit deep back, deep down. Get that booty working. Summer's coming, we all want to look great in a bikini. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. And we pulse. Pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We hold just for 8. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, shake out your legs. We got 1 more set. That's it. You can do this. 1 last set. Okay, separate your legs again. Step out wide. Lower down to a squat. Lift, lower, lift. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Lower, lift. Lower, lift. 4, 3, last 2, 1, and we pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last hold for today, I promise. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, shake out your legs. Great job. Place your weights on the top of your mat and meet me in downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and exhale. 1 more inhale and exhale. Inhale, look to the top of your mat. Exhale, hop to meet your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, grab your weights, chair pose. Reach your weights up towards the sky. Exhale, arms back. Inhale, weights up. Exhale, forward fold, let go of your weights. Inhale, halfway lift. Plant your hands, chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, your right leg up high. Exhale, knee to nose. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, your right leg up high. Exhale, low lunge. Plant your foot between your hands. Inhale, crescent lunge. Weights towards the sky. Exhale, twist. Inhale, weights up towards the sky. Exhale, lower down your weights. Chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Same on the left side. Inhale, your left leg up high. Knee to nose. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, your left leg up high. Exhale, low lunge. Step it through. Grab your weights. Inhale, crescent lunge, weights up towards the sky. Exhale, twist. Inhale, crescent lunge. Plant your hands. Chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Come down to a seat. Thank you so much for joining me in my workout today. Hope to see you soon again.